Hi, I'm Zach Palmer, Certified Financial Planner with Ark Royal Wealth Management. Do you have a 401k or 403b? Then you might be leaving free money on the table. Not just if you don't contribute enough, but you might be contributing too much too fast. Yeah, and that is a thing. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how to avoid this sneaky mistake and make the most of your employer match. A 401k match is basically your employer saying, you save for your future and I'll chip in too. There are a few different employer match formulas, but for this example, let's assume your employer matches 100% of the first 3% of your salary. So if you make $120,000 and contribute 3%, that's $3,600 from you, and your employer matches it with another $3,600. That's instant free money going toward your retirement. One of the most common mistakes, not contributing enough to get the full match. If your employer matches up to 5% and you're only allocating 2%, well, you're leaving money on the table, plain and simple. Over time, that can cost you thousands in free contributions and growth. Here's the twist that a lot of people are unaware of. Some people try to max out their 401k early in the year, maybe even by June, which sounds responsible, right? But if your employer match is tied to each paycheck, you could miss out on some free money by front loading your contributions. Why? Because once you hit the annual IRS limit, your contributions stop. And if there's no paycheck contribution, there's no employer match for that period. That means you just accidentally left free money on the table. So here's what to do. First, find out how your employer match works. What's the formula, and is the match per paycheck or annually? If it is per paycheck, make sure your contribution rate stretches across all pay periods in the year. And always aim to contribute at least enough to get the full match. Bottom line, the 401k match is one of the easiest ways to grow your retirement savings, but the details matter. Don't miss out by under-contributing or by over-contributing too early. If you found this video to be helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights on building a strong financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
If you'd like to learn more about the benefits of working with a truly independent and objective fee-only financial advisor, we welcome the opportunity to talk with you.